You can learn more about a person from how they respond to what you say than from anything they tell you directly. Not because they're revealing their personality, because they're revealing their observer, the position they're standing in when they interpret the world. Every response is a translation. Something happens, the person runs it through their frame, their history, their conditioning, their unseen beliefs, and produces a reaction. The reaction is not about what happened, it's about what the frame made of what happened. Two people hear the same feedback, one gets curious, one gets defensive, same input, completely different output. The difference isn't the feedback, it's the frame it passed through, which means the reaction tells you exactly where the frame is. Watch for what the person makes things mean. Someone hears a compliment and deflects. Their frame doesn't have room for positive input. Something in them rejects it before it lands. Someone hears a neutral question and gets suspicious. Their frame reads inquiry as threat. Someone hears a disagreement and immediately personalizes it. Their frame collapses the difference between challenging an idea and challenging their worth. None of these reactions are about you. They're coordinates. Each one tells you exactly where the observer is standing, what they're protecting, what they still need to be true. This changes how you relate to people. When someone reacts strongly to something small, you stop taking it personally and start getting curious. What position do they have to be standing in for that to land the way it did? When someone consistently makes a specific kind of meaning from what you say, you have information, not about their character, about their frame. And here's the deeper thing, it works on yourself too. Your own reactions are coordinates. Every time something lands harder than it should or triggers something disproportionate, that's your own observer revealing itself. The reaction is always a map of where you are, of what's still running, of what the frame is still protecting. How someone responds to what you say tells you how they relate to it, and how they relate to it tells you where they're standing when they hear it. It's not judgment, it's information. And if you learn to read it in others and yourself, you stop being confused by reactions and you start seeing the observer behind them.